What's up, everybody? My name is Parker Immense.
My name is Danny Ferrari.
And we are Excellent Sound. Today, we are doing the one, the only, Porter Robinson's language. Let's get it.
I speak like it. Oh, shit.
Put your hands up.
It's worship.
There it is, guys.
Killed it, bro.
This is actually a classic song.
This
classic
guy
song.
invented worship EDM.
Yeah, man. I remember like first listening to Porter Robinson. I thought he was like sick. I was trying to copy everything he was doing.
Yeah.
Him and like Zed and all that stuff. Super cool. It's actually funny how we're doing this remake.
Yeah.
The way that this came about is Danny was actually doing a Zoom lesson with one of our clients.
Yeah.
And it's actually really cool. You want to
Yeah,
tell him a little bit about it?
Yeah, I want to shout out Garrett if you're watching. My boy. It's my son over there. You can't see him, but
My
he's there.
nephew.
My son, dude. Garrett's the shit. Anyway, yeah, I was doing a lesson with Garrett, and he's like, yo, dude, he's like, I want to know how to make this song or this sound. And I was like, dude, I got you. This is such a good beginning sound, I think, for sound design, at least as far as like fundamental wise. The reason why this sound is so awesome, I think, is because of the MIDI itself, which we are giving away.
Definitely. That's
And the
going to be
preset.
in the description down below.
All the
free.
MIDI.
Yep.
Just one preset, but all the MIDI, so you guys can mess around. But yeah, so Garrett was asking me to do this, and I was like, dude, let's figure it out. I'll show you how to remake something. And he got a lot out of it and got really inspired of it. So if you guys are looking for lessons, hit us up on our website. It's right there. It'll be down in the download description below. Parker, myself, we do team lessons too if you guys want to do that. Here at the studio or Zoom, and then also we have Morgan from FOMO, who's an amazing producer and teacher too. So
Super great producer and teacher.
yeah, so it's kind of a cool little thing, a little throwback remake, just a little set some vibes.
Yeah, man, we like it. We've been doing a lot of bro step.
Yeah,
And we wanted to put our hands out.
and a lot of hybrid trap.
Yep, it's some cool shit going on.
Yep.
So without further ado, let's jump in, you guys. We got our main lead right here. We got a bunch of other little synth layers. If you guys want to dive into that a little bit more, we got our project file up on our Patreon.
Whoop.
Go and join that guy. It's the YouTube tier. It's super affordable and really cool. So
Tons of stuff.
Tons of stuff in there, and it's really cool to dissect all these different sounds and learn how the different layers work together. So, yeah, without further ado, let's jump right in.
Oh, and the drums too.
Ooh, and the
Sorry,
drums.
had to say that.
Yeah, and the drums.
All the drums, the production.
All the drum samples and everything. Super
Oh
awesome.
wait, I need to be. I'm not prepared, bro.
Oh,
Hold up.
dude,
Let me
you
get
are not
set up.
even prepared, bro.
Did we load this?
Yeah, here, let's actually...
I'm ready.
Yeah, dude.
That's not it, dude. I'm not ready at all.
Not ready at all. Here, let's actually listen to it with Initialized preset. Let's see how it sounds.
Probably the same.
Yeah. Pretty close.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty close. So,
Let's go get it. I gotta get this
Let's go
loaded.
jump
Hold
it
on.
in.
I'm blowing it. Hold on. I'm almost there. Talk about something cool.
just if you guys haven't even known, we dropped a new pack just recently. It's about 4 weeks in, maybe. Dropped CARTEL Volume 2. Instant classic, you guys. Follow up to the CARTEL Volume 1. It's got a lot of crazy sounds in there, a lot of future-based stuff. It's mainly like a hybrid trap, but there's really cool future-based sounds in there. Got some nice chords and a lot of really, really cool snare samples for all you future-based listeners.
I did it. I wasn't
You did it?
prepared. I did that fast.
Okay, cool. Let's jump in, you guys. So first things first, we're just going to use the init patch, and we're going to go up to 16 voices of unison, and we are going to detune to about like 9 o'clock. Get it a little bit more focused.
Is that 9? Oh, yeah, dude. I always mess that up.
Yeah, dude. And then I think we're gonna leave. Yeah, we're gonna leave everything like
this
that.
This sound is super easy, but it's super clutch.
Yeah, super easy, but it's like one of those sounds you have to have in your arsenal for sure.
Yeah.
We got our effects loaded over here. That's it for this page.
That's it.
Really.
Done.
No LFOs.
No.
If you guys wanted to make like some future bass chords, you could make a simple LFO like this, and throw it on the level. That's a really cool way of making future chords. But yeah, we preloaded the effects chain over here. We got first thing is the OTT. We got our thresh at 12 o'clock. We got our ratio at 4:1. We got a little slower attack, 90 milliseconds. We got our release, pretty slow too, 90 as well. And then gain, we got at 13.1. And then we got mix all the way up. Let's listen to that.
That does a ton right there.
Yeah, that's awesome. That kind of activates the sound.
Yeah.
As always, we love OTT. And then the next thing is the distortion. We're using hard clip, and we're leaving the drive at 73%, and then mix all the way up again.
Ooh, that's
a really nice crispy sizzle.
That's sizzle.
Yeah, distorting a lot. It's really nice. And then next we got hyper dimension. We got the rate at 40%. We got detune at 25%. We got mix at 34%, and then size at 46%, and then mix is all the way down.
Spread it.
Yeah, get it spread. And then last we got reverb. Nice hall reverb. We got the reverb size at 35%. We got decay at 4.7 seconds. Low cut all the way down. High cut 35%. Spin we got at 25%, and the spin depth at 20%. And then mix knobs at 20.
Nice.
And that's it for the actual Serum preset. And then I think we have some pretty simple post-production effects on here. Let's see what we got here in our chain. We got an overdrive, reverb, and OTT. We got the overdrive just to kind of pull out these highs. The Q is pretty wide on this guy. And then we have the dry wet to 25%. Let's listen to that. And we're using a lot of overdrive to kind of bring it out with all of these other synth layers. That's really important for leads, is to give it that really nice shine and crispness. And then we got another reverb after that. We're just slowly easing the reverb in. We got 25% on the Serum reverb and then 24% on the post. And then finally, we're capping it off with OT Tizzle. And that's really bringing out the reverb, really nice. We got...
Do we have an EQ?
I don't even think we have an EQ
We
on
probably
here.
should EQ it.
Yeah, we could throw an EQ on there. Big thing on the OTT is we pulled out the highs a little bit, pulled out the mids, and then we pulled the time down to 500%, and then mix wet knob is all the way up. So let's throw a EQ 8 on there and just clean up. Look at all that. Look at all this stuff down here.
Crap.
Yeah, dude. Just clean it up. So I usually like to pull it out too much and then kind of dial it back just to hear where that sweet spot is. And then I think that's it for the sound.
Context,
yeah,
bro.
let's hear it. Great song.
Dude.
Such a sick song, you guys. So again, we got all of this MIDI for free down in the description below. We also have this sound for free. And if you guys want this project file, go join our YouTube tier on Patreon. And you can grab this. You can grab all of the other project files for the past like 6 months now.
Yeah,
and
that's been a while.
That's one project file every week for the past 6 months. So it's a huge deal, you guys. If you pay for the first month, you get access to all of the backlog. So really cool stuff in there. And
all the samples too, all the drum samples, like everything in there.
Yeah, that's like bigger than a pack that you would buy from some other company or even us, you know?
Right.
So yeah, go check that out. We also have mentoring on our website. Danny, me, we have team lessons together. We also have Morgan from FOMO doing lessons. And we're going to be doing some DJ lessons pretty soon.
Yeah,
So
that's right.
look out for that.
Oh, you just dropped that bomb, dude.
I just dropped it, dude.
You didn't even ask me, bro.
Can I drop the bomb?
I always ask you. I'm just kidding. I always ask you because you're the fucking responsible one.
I'm being responsible. We're being responsible.
DJ lessons.
Yeah, DJ lessons. So
through Zoom or what?
Yeah, through Zoom. That's going to be the
person?
big thing, or in person. If you guys are in LA, you guys can come to the studio, hang out, and learn how to DJ. So really, really cool stuff. So let's ride her out.
Yeah, hit that like button for us. Give us a subscribe. Don't forget, Cartel Volume 2 is out. I think one of the sounds is called Porter, and it's basically made from this too. Actually, now that I just remembered that.
Cool.
But yeah, let's ride this.
That's
ride this bad boy out.
Let's
dude.
do it.
See you guys next time.